What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. This video I want to show you how to find the slope of the curve at the point indicated. The function we have is y equals to 5x squared and x is negative 1. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h when x goes to 0. Where does this equation come from? Remember, when we were talking about slope in grade 8 or grade 9, it's going to be delta y divided by delta x. Differences of y's divided by differences of x at 2 points. Here we have the same thing. This f of x plus h minus f of x divided by x plus h minus x. This x and negative x cancels out and it's going to be just h. And here this h has to approach to 0 in order to, because since we are dealing with the curve, we need to make it as small as possible. The difference between these 2 points has to be very close to each other to make it close to a real number. So that's why it goes to 0. H goes to 0. So let's go back to the question. It says 5x squared. Instead of, that's f of x. Instead of x, I need to put x plus h. So it's going to be 5x plus h squared minus 5x squared divided by h. Limit when h approaches 0. So it's going to be 5x squared plus h squared plus 2xh minus 5x squared. So these two cancels out, and when you factor h, it's going to be h plus 2x divided by h when h approaches 0. These two cancels out, and limit of h plus 2x when h approaches 0 is going to be just 2x. So that's going to be the function for finding the slope. We need to find it at x equals to negative 1, so it's going to be 2 times negative 1, it's going to be negative 2. So slope is going to be equal to negative 2. Next example is y equals to 1 minus x squared, x equals 2. We need to find out the slope. Again, we use the same formula, limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h when h approaches 0. So this is going to be 1 minus x plus h squared minus 1 minus x squared divided by h. So limit when h approaches 0. So when you simplify it, it's going to be 1 minus x squared, h squared, 2hx, minus 1 minus x squared. Then these two cancels out. These two cancels out. Divided by h, limits when h approaches 0. So then you need to factor h. It's going to be h plus 2x divided by h, limit when h approaches 0. These two cancel out. When h approaches 0, it's going to be just negative 2x, because we had the negative in here as well. Then the slope is going to be negative 2x. Instead of x, we need to put 2 as we have here. So negative 2 times 2 is going to be negative 4. That's the slope of this function at point x equals to 2. Next one is going to be y equals to 1 over 1 minus x at x equals to 3. We're going to find limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h when h approaches 0. It's going to be limit of 1 over 1 minus x plus h minus 1 over 1 minus x divided by h when h approaches 0. Then we need to have common denominator. It's going to be 1 minus x minus 1 minus x minus h divided by h when h approaches 0. Then you can cancel this. 1 and negative 1 cancels out. Negative x and positive x is going to cancel out, and we're going to have negative times negative h, which is going to be positive h. Then this positive h and h in here cancels out, and we're going to have 1 over 1 minus x plus h times 1 minus x limit when h approaches 0. So it is going to be 1 over 1 minus x to the power of 2. So that's the function for the slope. X equals to 3. We sub it there. It's going to be 1 over 1 minus 3 to the power of 2, which is going to be 1 over negative 2 to the power of 2, which will be 1 over 4. That's the slope of this function at this point, which is x equals to 3. Next example is y equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 at x equals to 0. So we need to find limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h when h approaches 0. So it's going to be limit of x plus h minus 1 divided by x plus h plus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by h. Then what we can do, we need to do common denominator. It's going to be x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. It's going to be x plus h minus 1 times x plus 1 minus x plus h plus 1 times x minus 1 divided by h. Then what we can say, we need to expand it. It is going to be x squared. I'm going to expand this one first. FOIL it. Plus x plus hx plus h minus x minus 1. Then we have minus x squared minus x hx minus h x minus 1 divided by x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1 divided by h when h approaches it. This and this cancels out. hx and hx cancels out. Negative x and negative x cancels out. X and x cancels out. Then we have negative 1 and negative 1 cancels out. We're going to have h minus negative h, which is going to be 2h. 2h over x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1 divided by h when the limit goes to 0. This h and h cancels out. It's going to be 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 1, which is going to be x plus 1 squared. That's the slope function. It says find it at x equals to 0. So when you set x equals to 0, it's going to be 2 over 1, which is going to be 2. So that's going to be the slope of this function at that point, which is the point is x equals to 0. So we had these 4 equations regarding 4 questions regarding find the slope of the curve at the point given. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I put some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. You can just take a look at them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.